One of the most anticipated foldables of 2026 is already the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Like the incredibly thin Galaxy Z Fold 7, there hasn't been much leak information about the Fold 8, which indicates that Samsung wants to improve the experience rather than create a whole new one. When will the next foldable phone be available? What are the estimated costs? Samsung Electronics has been producing foldable smartphones under the Galaxy Z series from 2019. At the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event in Paris, France on July 10, 2024, Samsung formally unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 6 together with the Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Watch 7, Galaxy Buds 3 series, and Galaxy Ring. It was released on July 31, 2024, and is the successor of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7, Samsung Electronics unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 7, a flagship foldable Android smartphone, in New York City on July 9, 2025. As you can see, Samsung currently follows the same timetable each year. Accordingly, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is anticipated at the customary July Unpacked event in the summer of 2026. The event took place on July 9, 2025. You can pre-order the device on the day of its premiere, but it won't be available to end users for around 14 days following the official unveiling. Regarding the cost, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is not going to be inexpensive, and even if there have been no price leaks, it would be shocking if it came in under $1,999. Foldable technology is still pricey, and no company has produced a truly affordable phone that folds and bends. For the most recent information on the next Samsung foldable phone, stay tuned. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.